Hi, I'm Dave Warren, and I want to talk to you a little bit about workplace investigations. Workplace investigations and the need for them can arise in a number of different contexts, obviously. Most commonly, we see them arise when there are allegations made that may constitute harassment, discrimination, or retaliation. And under those circumstances, pursuant to the Fair Employment and Housing Act, employers are required to conduct a prompt and thorough investigation and take appropriate remedial action based upon their findings. Recently, over the last few years, case law has also defined for us what constitutes a legally adequate investigation. And it requires a trained, experienced investigator who undertakes an objective investigation aimed at the truth, consisting of interviewing witnesses who have potential knowledge, reviewing documents, and making recommendations from which the employer then must make a good faith determination as to what needs to be done, if anything. What is not so commonly known, however, is that multiple cases have recently held that failure to conduct a legally adequate investigation based upon all those criteria, or if the investigation is in some fashion tainted, that fact, the fact of failing to conduct an adequate investigation in and of itself, is evidence of pretext. So you can see how significant that becomes in the event of a later dispute or litigation. Our firm undertakes investigations, and we do so in a manner to minimize interference with your daily business operations. We do so professionally, but we do so as to get to the truth of the matter, to interview all witnesses, to review all pertinent documents, and to make our recommendations to you along with our assessments of the credibility of the witnesses we've spoken to. I would suggest to you that whether you use our firm or another, it's important to go outside and find a neutral investigator rather than doing it in-house whenever you're dealing with a significant matter or a matter that may wind up in litigation. And the reasons for that are because it eliminates arguments concerning bias or the appearance of bias, and it eliminates the allegations that the investigation was tainted by pressures from the inside or otherwise. We remain available to answer any questions you might have about investigations, and when the need arises, we look forward to working with you.